Thank you, Chetan Bhai Kamdar. Uh, Thank you, Chamber of Commerce, Chamber Trust. Thank you to all the people who have participated here and to be here today at my business speech or mentor speech or whatever you want to say. But Tejas Bhai and team, thank you for this opportunity. I don't think, first of all, I deserve so much. That's what I think. But it's anyway, it's overwhelming to me. Ajay, I think what I wanted to speak is very candid and open talks. Especially, I want to address the youth of Bhavnagar, who's the next, our next future of our city, of our country. So I'm going to more emphasize on the youth. I want to see કે ભાવનગરમાં youth માટે opportunities કેવી રીતે create થાય. So I think we're going to be very candid today. I also want to share the story of what is our journey of Acrosil to Carousel. કેવી રીતે અમે migrate થયા બોમ્બેથી અહીંયા, because a lot of people would not know our story except કે અમે Carousel brand છીએ. But I think today it's good to know that we can throw our reflections upon a growth story. કે એમાંથી તમે કંઈક you can learn something and then you can probably implement. We also learn a lot from Insta stories or bija bada other industrialists who have made through. So, and I think third thing is, how do we make Bhavnagar great again? We're hearing this story, great again. Mega is make again America great. So I think we should also start a revolution in Bhavnagar, that how do we make Bhavnagar great again? Krishna Kumar Sijina time thi apni city has been tremendous. I think apni city nu tame planning jo infra jo I think is tremendous, but somehow we've not been able to grow in the last 20 years time. Starting with one example is આપણે બોઈંગ્સ આવતા હતા 1970s માં, and we are in 2021st century and we don't have a plane coming into our town. So this is how backward our town has been. We are not able to keep up with the pace of the world, not able to pace up with our country. So we need to start a revolution. So I think what I'm going to start first is on the businesses in Bhavnagar. Last time I had a thing that we need to get out of this mentality, Gathia Penda mentality, and I assume that video went viral somewhere. But nothing to hurt someone's sentiments here. But what I see is that scale has still not come into our town. What I was hoping next one year something is going to change, but we are not able to change our city in terms of businesses. Opportunities are tremendous. So what I hear right now, tier 3 and tier 4, right? Not even I would say tier 2. We are not even in tier 2. We are tier 3, tier 4 cities. Lot of companies are targeting this tier 3, tier 4 cities. તમે જો કે અમારો રોડ છે, જ્વેલ્સનો રોડ છે, જે તમે ટાંકી રોડ છે, આઈ ડોન્ટ નો 3-4 નામ છે. આપણા ભાવનગરમાં બધી વસ્તુના 3-4 નામ હોય, ટાંકીની પાછળ નાની બાજુ. બટ વોટ એવર દેટ રોડ ઇઝ ISKCON રોડ, એક હમણાં મિસ્ટર DIY something has opened, right? I see that. Why this entrepreneur is not born in our town? Why is somebody out of આપણા સિટીની બહારથી કોઈ કંપની આવીને આપણા ગામમાં વસ્તુ વેચે છે? આપણા entrepreneurs કેમ આ સેમ વસ્તુ નથી કરી શકતા? Is my first question, right? Trump wants to stop imports to United States is because he wants manufacturing industries, employment starts in our back in the US. Same vastu આપણા entrepreneurs જો કરી શકતા હોય તો I think Mr. DIY જેવું આપણે પણ આવા 4-5 સ્ટોર ખોલી શકીએ. I do also see that startups are already there. So I believe that એવું નથી કે startup, but how to upstart that startup is a problem. Lot of youngsters who somewhere I'm in getting down in my car, they catch me. Somebody puts a bike in front of me, sir, आपका 5 minute चाहिए. एवी थे I have an idea, I want to do something. Somebody catches me on a coffee shop because I don't get access to the office, so cafe I'm there, so people catch me in the cafe, sir, हमारे काम थे 5 minute. So I think lot of youth has an idea in our town, but how do I start a startup? Where do I go? What to do? No idea. No idea. So that what happens is that idea does not scale up. તમારો આઈડિયા તમારી આગળ જ રહે અને પછી તમે એ આઈડિયાને આગળ નથી લઈ જઈ શકતા. I would request chamber, CI, bodies and all. I am not a very active કારણ કે મને બહુ સ્પીચ આપતા નથી આવડતું એટલે હું જેટલો બને એટલો દૂર રહું છું આ બધા બોડીઝથી. બટ આઈ વુડ લાઈક ટુ ટેલ ધેમ દેટ સ્ટાર્ટઅપ્સ માટે સ્પેશિયલ પ્રોગ્રામ્સ વી શુડ સ્ટાર્ટ હિયર. Invite the bodies who invest in startups. From my side, I can assure you that in the next 2025, every 6 months, I will ensure that all the investment banking bodies which do startups, all right, I will get in Bhavnagar for you guys, all right? Biji Vastu, I want to break some news that I will also talk details when we go back to our story, but we want to a lot of fund to the Bhavnagar youth, to the Bhavnagar startups. કે તમે you look for some contribution, paisa jo hai, right? First thing is you need money. People, what do they need? They have an idea but don't have money, but they don't get money. Why US is so far in terms of technology and tech? Because Chetan Bhai and Tejas, they have a thing called risk capital. We do not have risk capital in our. તમે કોઈ પણ લોન લેવા જશો ને તો 10 જાતના ડોક્યુમેન્ટ માંગશે. ઘર માંગી લેશે, લાઈક ઘર આપી દો, બાઇક આપી દો, ગાડી કરી દો, કોલેટરલ. US does not work like this. યુએસમાં તમારે એ લોકોને એપિટાઇટ એટલી છે એ લોકોને રિસ્ક લેવાની કે 100 startups they will waste $1 billion. Again, 99 startups they'll waste, literally waste, means ideas collapse. One idea will go to the unicorn, right? And that's how they make this 20 billion, 30 billion. We do not have this risk capital in our country. Maybe it is, I don't know, but at least in our town it doesn't exist only. So somebody needs to come forward to do the risk capital. My job is because we work with a lot of investment banking people and all, I will push them to see that, push the Bhavnagar industries, the startups, give them that capital risk without asking for their home and bikes and company or ornaments and બધું લઈ જાય છે અત્યારે તો. So without that, can somebody start? Then everybody's good. તમને 10 કરોડ જોતા હોય અને તમને કોઈ 10 કરોડ આમનામ આપી દે તો તમે બધા કેટલો બૂમ આવે આજે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝમાં. That is what the US is different than the rest of the world. So from our side, I have principally decided to allot approximately 25 crores of fund for the startups in Bhavnagar. આજે 25 crores we want to, that's our first initiative. See, our job is not to talk here, right? Our job is to what we can contribute to this town. શું કરી શકશો ને આપણે શું કેમ છે આમાં I don't. આજે આપણે એટલા માટે ભેગા થયા છે કે આપણે હવે we need to create a revolution and how do we pace up Bhavnagar. So I think this is our initiative. I would also request the other corporates, but I don't know whatever the bandwidth they have or જેટલું એ લોકો contribute કરી શકે. But from our side, I think we will do about 20-25 crores. That 25 crores we'll create a cell. We are going to create a cell that every 3-6 months startups can come, fill up the forms, approach us with idea. There'll be a committee. Maybe we will take help of some of the bodies here, and we'll assess whether that idea is good and worth investing. Second is very important thing is we are also businessmen, right? So we would not put on something if you are looking at some, I want to put some startup electric bike industry, but that is not interesting for us. So we will also see કે કેરેસેલને તમે હેલ્પ કરી શકતા હોય કોઈ પણ એન્સિલરીમાં. અમે લગભગ from our company, I think approximately 200 crores જેટલું આઉટસોર્સ કરીએ છીએ આઉટસાઇડ ભાવનગર. ત્યાં જે 200 કરોડની વસ્તુ એમાં 100 crores is only packaging material. Chetanbhai, we don't have a single packaging material industry in our city. All right, we do not have a packing. We import packaging, not import, but we get the packaging from Rajkot, Baroda and Ahmedabad. અહીંયા ભાવનગરમાં અમે પેકેજિંગ પણ નથી. પણ we stay committed that we want to manufacture all our products in Bhavnagar. All right, we stay committed. That's why we get this. There's a 5% transport cost involved, which is hitting our bottom line, right? If you guys, somebody can put this packing line and not just go rolling mill, steel, alang and all that, I think you can do a lot for us, right? And we will co-invest in that venture because it's going to invest us too. I mean, it's going to help us too. So these are some examples I want to do you. Carousel is now there's a thing BIS certification, I would say, so that we cannot import built-in appliances from abroad. We are importing from China, Turkey, Europe and all. So અમે લોકો built-in appliance, I think you would have seen our booth કે અમે built-in appliances માં kitchen sink company diversified into built-in appliances અને એ અમે import કરીએ છીએ. Do you have any idea on 21st March you cannot import these built-in appliances? Then how are we going to sell in India? We have two choices. Either we start manufacturing our own built-in appliances, which हमने कोई idea नहीं केवी ते बनाना. There are electronics involved, there are steel bodies involved, there's some burners, electrical, so many things involved. There's a big technology involved in ovens बनावा माटे के, microwave बनावा माटे, chimney hood. Or we have a option is कि हमें outsource करें from a Indian company कोई. Or third is that you shut down the business. We don't want to do that. In the next 5 years, I think I said it in my speech, we're going to invest about 500 crores in Bhavnagar in the next five years' time. Right? The idea is to build the largest kitchen hub in the world, not in India, the biggest kitchen hub in the world. Fortunately, we did a QIP, it worked. So we have a lot of money now to spend and we need to scale up. The money has come us to scale up the growth, but we will. The point I'm trying to say is that we have to adapt this. We are hiring some IIT graduates. We are hiring some IIT technical people across India from various institutions to help us to build this built-in appliances factory. In the next 1 year, if you pass by our Vartej Road or Carousel Road, Rangoli Agar, you will see how many of the built-in appliances factories you will see coming up in us. This is a risk you have to take. તમારે ટેકનોલોજી ન હોય તો તમારે અડેપ્ટ કરવી પડશે, તમારે ઇવોલ્વ કરવું પડશે, but you have to conquer. Once you decide that you want to do this, you should be able to do this. We are expecting the built-in appliances business of current, say, we don't know, we do about 10% of our total business, 70 crores, 60-70 crores. We see a potential up to 1,000 crores in the next 5 years, right? If we don't start now, somebody else is going to take this. So we have no choice but to do this. So the point I'm trying to make is કે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ ટેકનોલોજી તમારા આગળ ન હોય, you can definitely learn it, you can outsource it, but please do it. This another, the plan number 2 is, in the last year we have acquired a lot of land around our factories. One of the piece of land is about 30 acres, I think 25, 30 acres, which we have. Our plan is if can we do a CIDC, Carousel Industrial Development Corporation, like GIDC, right? Where we can give the land and the sheds ready-made to the people who are vendors to us, who wants to start packaging material, somebody wants to start some accessories, they can start it there and you can start your own business, okay? Forget about what you want to do. Your sons, your daughters needs to start that. We are there to help you out. But please help us to build Carousel as the world's #1 brand. Help us. અમારે જો અમદાવાદથી રાજકોટથી ને ટર્કી ને ચાઇનાથી બધું ઇમ્પોર્ટ કરવું પડશે તો અમે આગળ we will not able to move forward. So I think that's point number 2. Startups, I think I'll just try to complete a story of ours so that you can get some ideas. Amaru family, we are not from Bhavnagar. Ashwin Bhai Parekh, nickname Batuk Bhai. I'll just take 10 minutes. Tejas Bhai, it's okay, no? But I think I just want to be very candid on this. 65 ma we moved Bombay to Bhavnagar. We are not from Bhavnagar. અમારું કોઈ ફેમિલી ભાવનગરનું નથી. બટ અમે છીએ ભાવનગરી, પ્યોર ભાવનગરી. ખાલી અમે ગાંઠિયા જલેબી નથી ખાતા. When my father moved to Bhavnagar to put up a factory for industrial jewels, I think you would have known કે industrial jewels, અમે લોકો પેલા જ્વેલ્સવાળા, હજી બધા જ્વેલ્સવાળા બોલાવે. અમે જ્વેલ્સ બનાવતા જ નથી. But we make industrial jewels for the watches. Swiss collaboration, amne મળ્યું. My father migrated. Nirmal Kumar Siji, palace હતો. We bought the palace from the royal family. જે તમે જોવો છો જ્વેલ સર્કલ આગળ અમારું ઘર ને ફેક્ટરી બેવ છે. અમે પેલેસની અંદર જ્વેલ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યા. My father started making manufacturing jewels inside the palace of the king. અને અમે લોકો એક સાઈડમાં આઉટ ક્વાર્ટર્સ હતા, એમાં અમે રહેતા હતા. That's where I was born. Journey is impeccable. Why I'm telling you this? કોઈ વિચાર્યા વગર ભાવનગર શું છે, ક્યાં છે, નો કોઈ head and tail નહીં. But my father took this risk and put this first company in Bhavnagar, which became Asia's largest company for manufacturing industrial jewels, right? We are very, very proud that our company is still doing very well. I don't handle the factory, but my younger brother handles it, and he is also doing amazing. So, which is good that 50 વર્ષ સુધી એક પ્રોડક્ટ લાઇનને તમે સાચવી શકો. I think it's a great thing. અત્યારે product life cycle is 5 to 10 years. You will be vanished. So, this is how our journey started. 87 માં આર્ટિકલ આવ્યો કે ક્વાડ સિંગ જર્મન કંપનીએ કર્યું. My father saw that ad એક મેગેઝિનમાં, અને એ મેગેઝિનની એડમાં શોક એન્ડ કંપની ટેકનોલોજી જર્મનીમાં વી રોટ અ લેટર કે ભાઈ અમને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે. ઘણા લોકો પૂછે છે કે આ તમે જ્વેલ્સમાંથી કિચન સિંકમાં કેવી રીતે ગયા? ધ મેજિક વર્ડ ઇઝ ધ ક્વાર્ડ્સ, કે ધ ક્વાર્ડ્સ વોચિસ એન્ડ ક્વાર્ડ સિંક્સ. સો દેટ ઇન્ટ્રિગ માય ફાધર કે આવી રીતે ક્વાર્ડ સિંક શું હશે. 87માં તો કિચન સિંકનું કોઈ નામ નહોતું સાંભળ્યું. નોબડી ન્યૂ વોટ અ કિચન સિંક વોઝ. અમે ફર્સ્ટ કંપની હતા કે માર્કેટિંગ કરતા હતા કે કિચન સિંક જેવી વસ્તુ છે. ક્વાર્ડ્સ તો કોઈને આઈડિયા જ નહોતો. We started this company in વર્તે 89માં મેં પ્રોડક્શન સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું. I was studying in Switzerland. પબ્લિક લઈ ગયા કંપની, bankrupt. In 3 years the company went down. The company had no funds. We did another IPO. Again that liquidity gone. So risk is something what you need to take in life. Right? Risk, no risk, no reward, right? I think we have heard that. But you need this guts. આ કોઈ તમે કોલેજ નહીં શીખવાડે કે કોઈ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન નહીં શીખવાડે. ગટ્સ ક્યાંથી લાવો? કરેજ ક્યાંથી લાવશો? એની માટે આઈ થિંક only people who have courage and guts, e ek 0.0001% of people will be the entrepreneurs in this world. Rest will not be able to be the entrepreneurs. You can work for someone. Either you do a એજન્સી લઈને ફોન વેચવા માંડો, કે કોઈ એજન્સી લઈને ટીવી ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ વેચવા માંડો, ફૂડ વેચવા માંડો, પણ તમે ઓન્ટરપ્રિનર નહીં બની શકો. એન્ડ ટુ ડૂ ધીસ રિસ્ક તમારે it is very important that you have this capital to start with something. So we will start this revolution. So what I want to do is start this revolution on how do we make your legs stronger in our town અને તમને કેવી રીતે બિલ્ડ કરી શકે. અત્યારે અમારી કંપની is May જ્યારે when I stepped into the company was $500,000 sales. It's about $100 million sales will clock this year. We started from quartz sink. We do about 1 million sinks. We started stainless steel sinks. We didn't know how to start a stainless steel sink. I hired people. एक हमारी competition ની factory હતી, Swiss company છે. સો બધું અમારે આવડતું નથી આ સ્ટેનલેસ સ્ટીલ સિંકમાં. કોઈને ક્વાર્ટ સિંક ન જોઈએ તો સ્ટેનલેસ સ્ટીલ સિંક જોઈએ, તો કોઈને ફોર્સ કેમ કરી શકો કે ભાઈ ક્વાર્ટ સિંક લ્યો. આખી ટીમ 50 માણસોની લઈ અમે ભાવનગર લઈ આવ્યા. વી ગેવ ધેમ રહેવાનું ટુ એવરીથિંગ, ટુ એજ્યુકેશન, એવરીથિંગ. બધા મહારાષ્ટ્રીયન છે, બધા 50 માણસો, અને હજી બધા 50 માણસો અહીંયા છે. આઈ ડોન્ટ નો ઇફ પટકર ઇઝ હિયર, બટ હી ઇઝ નોટ હિયર, બટ હી ઇઝ વન ઓફ હુ હેડ્સ ધ સ્ટેનલેસ સ્ટીલ. We are now emerging to be one of the top 10 stainless steel companies in the world now, because China plus strategy is coming into play, right? Trump era coming in, the China is going to get, and we are getting. અમારે અત્યારે એટલું બધું ટ્રેક્શન આવ્યું છે કે every second day we have a client coming from abroad, because India is the future. India is the future. એમાં Tier 3, Tier 4 like us has great opportunity because of the low employee cost. Tremendous low employee cost. Second is, infra may be there, not there. પણ જે ઇકોસિસ્ટમ, જે તમે કોઈ પણ તમે બ્યુરોક્રેસી લ્યો કે પોલિટિશિયન, નિમુબેન કે કોઈને ફોન કરો, એક્સેસ, કલેક્ટર્સ, everything gets so fast here, right? So I think this whole vision of our honorable Prime Minister to make in India, I think that the whole dream is going to come true, and I think we're going to have a lot of opportunities. I was just talking to one of my friends ke ame log IKEA, you know, right? IKEA is a $40 billion global home improvement company. We started with IKEA three years back at 20% of the total global share of their kitchen sinks. Now they are looking us to take us as the most prominent source from us. It can go to 80% of the IKEA's global consumption from coming from Carousel factory in Bhavnagar. This whole idea is one-stop solution. Sinks, diversifying stainless steel sinks, built-in appliances, kitchen faucets no navo plant naikyo. Is that કે એક કોઈ પણ કસ્ટમર આવે તો you can get a one-stop solution. So આજે we are doing to all the major outlets across the world. તો કોઈ પણ ક્લાયન્ટ આવે તો તમે એક સ્ટોપમાં તમે 10 વસ્તુ વેચી શકો. અમે આવી રીતે જો ડાયવર્સિફાઈ ન થયા હોત તો અમે ખાલી કિચન સિંક જ વેચતા હોત. So our revenue would have not gone to 10x. So in the last 10 years our revenue grew at 10x. 10 years back when we were a small company. But in the last year, we made all these changes, and hopefully in the next 10 years, we'll do more. So diversification is one of the speeches I mentioned, why the companies in our town are not diversifying. Steel બનાવો તો સ્ટીલ જ બનાવશે, એક વસ્તુ બીજી નહીં બનાવે, right? So why is this happening? Is because exposure. People do not want to go રૂપાણીવાળાને રૂપાણીમાં જ રહેવું છે, right? We don't want to travel. We don't want to see what's going on. સાંજે 5-6 વાગે એટલે જોગર્સ પાર્કમાં વોક લ્યો, 2-3 જ્યુસ પીઓ અને સૂઈ જાઓ. Is this what the youth you want to do? So if this is your life cycle, everyday life cycle, going to the office at 10, And I think parents who have reached 60, I think is good. They can do. But their sons or their daughters cannot do this. I also tell my daughters, if you don't work 12 hours a day, hard work is the only way out. With the hard work, you need to do smart hard work. Please travel at least every month out of and look at the opportunities, what the people are doing. Please read Insta. There are good things in Insta, there are bad things in Insta. But we want to see the good things in Instagram. And the best part about the Insta is તમે જે follow કરશો ને એ જ આવતા રહેશે reel. The more you try to startups you start checking, you'll get a lot of startups. If you're looking at food startups, you'll only get food startups. That's how you learn. Seminars we will bring in, help you to bring in, which will expand the mind of the people, the youth. But the parents need to tell their kids that they get on the right track, right? We also mentor our kids even now. You need to get the youth on the right track. If the youth, this is the very, a very sensitive thing what we are talking here, right? Youth wants to do something else versus parents want to do something else. I'll also give you sometime why it is also good and why it's bad. So in the US, but the tech companies, especially the AI, you heard the AI thing, right? So artificial intelligence, AI chips, બધી કંપનીઝ છે, બધા છોકરાઓને ડ્રોપઆઉટ્સના એ લોકો લઈ લે છે. હાર્વર્ડ્સમાંથી, સ્ટેનફોર્ડમાંથી, યેલમાંથી, બર્કલીમાંથી. They poach the students at 17 વર્ષ, 16 વર્ષે because they can be the next tech. They help them to be the next tech guy. One of my friends' son, આપણો ભાવનગરનો જ છે, મારી સાથે ભણતો હતો, રાજેશ. He was in McKinsey, and he was the brain in our convent school, scoring 900 out of maths. Son, he just came to meet me last week and he said, Chirag, you know what? My son just joined this company, the AI startup, valued at 10 billion, which is going to be a competitor to NVIDIA. એને 17 વર્ષે લઈ લીધો inside the company. So this is where sometimes the kids want to do something. Please let them do something. Sportsમાં રમે તો please allow them to do sports. Do not try to catch them and put them into it. But let them excel in whatever they want to do. I think my last part of the speech, I want to just see that I don't... So I think we need to build a good ecosystem. Tejas bhai, I'll just tell you. So I think we can work on co-working spaces. A lot of startup people come into my coffee shop and come and do their startups. I think I see a lot of laptops coming in. So I think if we can have co-working spaces where people at a very, very low rate can come and sit and work there, I think that's going to help. Training programs, that's what I've said. All the smaller businesses છે જે અહીંયા પણ હશે, પિઝાવાળા છે કે એની પેંડાવાળા છે કે Haldiram's got valued at $8 billion last week, right? Haldiram could be something like our Das Pendawala ke Muni Pendawala or something. So I was just talking to one of the guys, why are you guys not aiming to be $1 billion, valuation? And I think this value is not important. અમે કોઈ દિવસ value driven નથી. So we very passionate about what we do. એનેથી પછી અમારી company is valued at 3,000 crores, 4,000 crores, let it be. તો કાલે 1,000 crores, it doesn't matter. But we want to continue our passion doing it. એ બધા startups છે, એ લોકો જે startups આને expand કેવી રીતે થવું કે current small scale businesses છે. I see a lot of pizza guys across the town, right? Pizza guys. લોકોને બહાર જ ખાવું છે, રેસ્ટોરન્ટમાંથી ખાવું. You see in our town. One thing what amazes me, the amount of people eat outside on the street is just phenomenal. It's nowhere in the world has this. તમે બહાર જો લારી મૂકશો તો ત્યાં જ ખાશે. એ નહીં વસ્તુ રેસ્ટોરન્ટ આપશો તો નહીં ખાય. So we said we want to be candid here, so I'm saying very candid, don't take any offense, but જોગર્સ પાર્કમાં લોકો એટલા માટે ચાલવા જાય કે પછી લોક કરીને 2 સમોસા ખાઈ શકે. એની માટે જોગર્સ પાર્ક થોડું છે, રાઈટ? If these small guys can venture into an organized industry, cake, brick covers, something I hear this brand, Brick Ovens Pizza, they can expand across Gujarat, this chain. They can expand it across. But how to do, કેવી રીતે કરે અમને ખબર જ નથી. So that's where we're going to help, right? One of my daughterનું function હતું તો toilets, we wanted to get toilets because we had a greenfield project where we had 500 people and how many toilets કેવી રીતે કરે. હવે એક નવી સ્ટાર્ટઅપ કંપની છે અમદાવાદમાં, they do mobile toilets with dresses સાથે આવે, full dresses, male, female dresses. It's such an amazing thing. We pay 1 lakh a day, but it comes with full service. તમારે અહીંયા ઇશ્યુ હશે ટોયલેટ્સ કેવી રીતે કરવું ને. There's એક લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ એક બેન મળ્યા હતા, they make this modular, શું બોલું, હા, containers ના. So they can do exactly the same thing. Mobile toilets બનાવી શકે એ લોકો એમાંથી, અને they can be globally, I mean Indiaમાં, pan India, start from state of Gujarat, they can be. So all these opportunities you can do. So my last point is, what is our last, I think I want to bring excitement to the youth in Bhavnagar. Talent. I believe the biggest challenge for us is talent, right? My daughter works for me. I said, do not remember your roots wherever you go, but you need to come here. This is where the roots are. So talent, આપણી talent, જેટલા અમે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝ લઈએ ને, 3 મહિના થાય ને અમદાવાદ વયા જાય, 3 મહિના થાય બરોડા વયા જાય, 3 મહિના થાય બીજે વયા જાય. Because one thing is salary, because of the small company, the salary index is so low. Second is lifestyle. Money is not everything, right? Lifestyle. Where does the lifestyle go? મને સવાર સાંજ પડે કોફી જોવે છે, મારે સવાર જોવે, મારે મ્યુઝિક સાંભળવું છે. Concert અમદાવાદમાં, did you see the concert that this Daljit guy, this Daljit દોસ્ત હમણાં પ્રાઇમ મિનિસ્ટર સાહેબને મળી આવ્યો. આપણે એક સેન્ટેન્સ નહીં આવડે પંજાબીમાં શું બોલે છે, પણ આખું દુનિયા પાગલ શું બોલે છે. કલ્ચર હેઝ ચેન્જ કે અમદાવાદમાં આટલા હાઈ કોન્સર્ટ થવા માંડ્યા. સો મ્યુઝિક ઇઝ સમથિંગ વિચ કેન રિયલી ડ્રાઈવ ધ યુથ. ગમે ત્યાંથી જો ને તો અહીંયાથી પણ મારા છોકરાઓ કે બધા છોકરાઓ ગો ડ્રાઈવ ટુ યુથ. તો ટેલેન્ટ રિટેન કરવા માટે વી નીડ ટુ બિલ્ડ અ ઇકોસિસ્ટમ વિચ ફેવર્સ ધ યુથ, એન્ડ ફોર દેટ ધ વે ઇઝ દેટ યુ બ્રિંગ એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ ઇન ધીસ ટાઉન. અમે જ્યારે પોલો ટુર્નામેન્ટ કરી હતી ને 6-7 years બેક this, એક તો આનું આ ગધેડિયા ફિલ્ડ છે કે શું નામ, નહેરુ મેદાન છે એ જ નથી ખબર. આઈ થિંક વી નીડ ટુ અપ્રોચ ટુ કોલ ઇટ કૃષ્ણ કુમાર સિંહજી મેદાન. આઈ થિંક આપણે જો આજથી બોલવા માંડીએ, આપણા ગામનું નામ બીજે શું કામ ભાઈ, મેં તો કીધું હું તો આજથી બોલવા માંડીશ કૃષ્ણ કુમાર. અને તમે જે બોલવા માંડશો ને, તમે આજથી જે બોલવા માંડશો ને એ જ નામ થઈ જાય. તમે કહો ને કે ટાંકીવાળો રોડ, તો બધા ટાંકીવાળો રોડ બોલશે. એવું છે. જ્વેલ્સ સર્કલ તો જ્વેલ્સ સર્કલ થઈ ગયું. જે બોલશો એ થઈ જશે. તો પણ આવું તો ન જ બોલાય કે ગધેડિયા ફિલ્ડ. એટલું એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ આવ્યું હતું આપણે અહીંયા કે 10,000 માણસો એવરી ડે ટુ સી ધ પોલો મેચ. અને સો આઈ હેવ સેડ આઈ નીડ ટુ ડુ સમથિંગ બેક. લોટ ઓફ યુથ અપ્રોચ મી ઇન ઇન્સ્ટા કે સર તમે આમ કરો આમ કરો. સો આઈ વુડ લાઈક ટુ promise today, Bhavnagar, that we will bring this year, 2025, one of the biggest music, food and heritage festivals in Bhavnagar. This will attract youth, not just in Bhavnagar but across. I have fortunate friends in the Bollywood and to the music entertainment industry. I can get them here. It should be an annual thing. So દર વર્ષે આ મ્યુઝિકલ ફૂડ ઇવેન્ટ હેરિટેજ, બિકોઝ હું યુવરાજ સાહેબ સાથે વાત કરતો હતો કે ચિરાગભાઈ આઈ નીડ હેરિટેજ. જે રીતે જયપુર રાજસ્થાનમાં જે રીતે એ લોકો હેરિટેજ સંભાળે છે ને આપણે નથી કરી શકતા. સો આઈ ટોલ્ડ ધેમ યુ પ્લીઝ ડૂ ધીસ. એની માટે એ લોકોને સ્પોન્સર્સ જોશે. સો લેટ્સ કન્ટિન્યુ ધીસ ડ્રાઈવ ઓફ આઈ પ્રોમિસ ધીસ યર આઈ વિલ બ્રિંગ ટુ યુ. આ જેટલું આપણું કૃષ્ણ કુમારસિંહજી મેદાન છે આઈ થિંક એ એટલીસ્ટ મેં સાંભળ્યું લાખ માણસો તો આવ્યું હતું કાલે. લાખ માણસો જો પ્રોડક્ટ જોવા આવે તો લાખ માણસો શો જોવા તો આવે જ ને આપણા. સો આઈ થિંક વી વિલ એબલ ટુ લિફ્ટ ધ સ્પિરિટ ઓફ ભાવનગર. આઈ ઓલ્સો કમિટેડ ટુ ધ collector and to the commissioner that CARISIL will sponsor the marathon every year. We'll start doing this to lift the spirit. Objective of this spirit is let's make Bhavnagar great again. And I really want to see as far as the health and vibrancy of Bhavnagar. I really want to make this town healthy. એટલે મને બહાર જે લારી પર લોકો ખાય ને એટલે મને બહુ જ થાય કેમ લારી પર ખાય છે આ લોકો. ડાયાબિટીસ 10માંથી 9 લોકોને ડાયાબિટીસ છે. That's what the data had come. Why do you want to eat out? So this whole drive, it's a revolution what we need to create. It's not about I coming one day and talking. We industrialists, entrepreneurs, do we have some social obligation toward this town? Yes, we do have it. એટલા અમે લોકો CSR we did the veterinary hospital for dogs, animals. You know how we started that? Because my daughter said કે બધાને માટે hospitals થાય છે. If dogs and cats, who are very very close to people who have pets will know that how close they are to you. એ લોકો માટે કોઈ નથી. I said, you are right. So we have opened up the veterinary hospital, one of the most modern veterinary hospital you can. તમારે X-ray machine માં જવું હોય ને, please go to my hospital. You'll have a better X-ray machine there. Even I went there for my X-ray. So that's how what you want to do. So I think we are going to create a lot of excitement. I think that's what my aim is. So I thank you everybody for your time and. Hope that something what I said is, but I would like to start a revolution in this town, and you will see that this campaign from our side happening that will excite the town. So thank you.